Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact clip and project settings so the brush behaves predictably. Import your footage and match timeline FPS. Mismatch causes jitter, so avoid it. Once done, scrub the timeline and mark the range you'll edit. This limits processing time and keeps previews responsive. Make sure motion blur and stabilization are off initially, so the brush captures pure motion vectors. Now select Motion Brush from the Tools panel and position the playhead at your first target frame. You now paint the motion region precisely. Pick a brush size that fits the object and paint along its movement path. As you work, toggle add or subtract to clean edges and avoid haloing because accurate masks reduce artifacts. Once painted, enable Optical Flow Preview to see predicted motion. This tells you if temporal smoothing needs change. If the mask flickers, increase smoothing slightly, but be careful, too much blurs fast motion. Play the range repeatedly and correct frames where the mask slips. To finish, render a short test segment with final codec and resolution so you can evaluate real output. If you see edge artifacts or warping, make small fixes. Increase feather to hide seams, lower temporal smoothing to restore sharp motion, or add corrective keyframes where the brush fails. For slow previews, enable GPU acceleration and clear local cache. This speeds re-renders. Once satisfied, render the full clip. If problems persist, isolate the troublesome clip and reapply Motion Brush with adjusted brush size and timing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.